Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can watch videos on Spotify PC. Super simple. To do that, you're just going to play the music video that you want to play or the song that has the music video. Just press play. As you can see right now, it's still the cover they have for the single or the album. You're just going to switch to video. Then now you're able to watch it. To watch it in full screen, just press this. And you're just going to press play. But that is it. That's how you can watch music videos on Spotify. As you can see, Taylor Swift does it. And obviously, I will do anything to watch her music videos. And the extended version, I'm not sure if it's out on any other platforms, but the extended version is out right now on Spotify. So yeah, if you have the time, watch Opalite's extended version. That is how you can watch music videos on Spotify. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.